Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Journey Called Life. Hope you all are doing great and would be all set to celebrate Diwali. With Diwali just being around the corner, most of us would be very enthusiastic to decorate our home. But due to time constraint, few of us being very busy doing our office and other chores will not get much of a time to decorate. But we don't have to stop there. We have to keep striving for time. So in this video, I would be talking about very quick and easy ideas by which we can make our home look very beautiful. So let's get started. So my first idea is doing Uruli. Uruli is my favorite thing to be done during Diwali or any other festival. It instantly lightens up the aura of the place. Plus, you get lots of positive energy from it. This time, I am doing it in a little different manner. I am not using the traditional brass bowl. Because when you have to take out your brass bowl, it takes a little bit of time. You need to wash it properly and then you need to dry it up and then you can make a uruli out of it. So instead of that, I'm using a glass bowl which could be easily found in our crockery. So my friends, here this is a small hack. You can use any of the crockery bowls which can be used here. So setting up this uruli is very simple. We need to take up a bowl, add some flowers to it. You can use any flowers. You can use the whole flowers or the petals of the flower or whichever way you like it. So here I am using the rose petals and then I'm using an artificial flower as well. So the flowers will give a very nice color to it. And then at last you need to add some candles. You can use the scented candles as it will give a nice odor and you will feel very cozy and comfortable. So setting up this bowl is very easy and it can be done in 10 minutes. Just to add a little more texture to my dining table, I have placed a colorful runner on the table, which is adding little more beauty to it. So in a similar fashion, you can try putting a runner or a table mat or anything else. So the next up is the lights. As Diwali being the festival of lights, how can it be complete without adding up some fairy lights? I am setting up the lights in my drawing room to give a little style and Diwali vibe to this room. The fairy lights are the easiest method to change the look of any place. While during the daytime when we are not lighting any diyas or candles, you can switch on these fairy lights and then daytime as well you can experience the Diwali vibe in your home. In the corner of this room, we have a clay water fountain which I have painted in brown color to sync it with my sofa and curtains. And now I am placing fake flowers on the table. So even this corner would grab everyone's attention due to the lights placed and the water running in the fountain. Next thing which I am doing is making a sticker rangoli. I do not know how to make a good rangoli with rangoli colors. The designing takes long for me and then it does not come out very nice. If you put so much of effort in an activity and if the result is not very great, then you don't feel like doing it. So this year I thought to use the sticker rangoli instead. Doing rangoli with this does not take long and it really looks very beautiful. So here I have taken two different designs because I wanted to make a bigger rangoli, and I am placing these stickers according to a design wherein I am placing the bigger stickers in the outer circle and then the smaller ones in the inner circle. After this, I am placing diyas in between the gaps and decorating it with red rose petals. These rose petals are giving a very nice color to my rangoli. If you do not want to give red color to your rangoli, you can use any other flowers. Instead of that, you can use any other materials like rice soaked in color overnight and then decorating with those, or you can use leaves, you can use rangoli colors or any other things. There are plenty of ideas available. So now with this minimalistic thing, my rangoli is looking very beautiful. After lighting up diya, it looks no less than a rangoli made of colors. So if you are running out of time this Diwali, do try out making this sticker rangoli. The next very easily available item which I am using for my decoration is the Mosaic tea light candle holders. I got these candlelight holders from Amazon. I love lavender fragrance, so I am adding the lavender scented candles here. This gives a very cozy feeling to my drawing room as well. And with these mosaic light holders, in no time my drawing room will also lighten up very beautifully. Look how beautiful they look. You can put these candlelight holders in any place and it will instantly lighten up your place. During Diwali, you can place candle in every nook and corner of your house and make it vibrant. So the next item which I am using here is the torans and door hangings. How can Diwali be complete without having torans and door hangings at your entrance? This is an age-old traditional way of decoration and can be found at every home. Here I am using pom-pom torans and similar matching door hangings inside. These pom-pom, toran and hanging are adding a very nice color to my main door. I got this from a nearby Diwali shop. For my bedroom decoration, I got this hanging candlelight holder from a nearby shop some time back. This looks very classy and gives a traditional touch to our bedroom. I never take this piece off from the wall. Now for Diwali decoration, I am keeping again some scented candles here. After adding candles to this piece looks amazing. And I am in absolute love with this piece. That's why in all my decoration, I use this piece. Plus the fragrance gives you a very cozy feeling. A very easy hack to instantly change the vibe of your bedroom is by changing the bed sheet. So here I am also doing the same thing. I have changed bed sheet to a little vibrant color. And I'm pairing this vibrant pink color with off-white and silver embroidered cushions. And look how beautiful are they looking together. And now I can feel the Diwali vibe in my bedroom too. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked my easy hacks to decorate. Wishing you a very happy and prosperous Diwali.